We have two different style of trims, one with a round cartridge cover and one with a non-round cartridge cover. For this installation, we're going to do non-round. Trimming out the GrohSafe 3.0, we're going to start with removing the two screws that hold the plaster guard in place, and that's just a Phillips head screwdriver. The next step would be to remove the cartridge nut. We'll use the tool for this. And then removing the flush plug, so you should just be able to pull that straight out. When installing the cartridge, start with removing the white sleeve. Grease all the O-rings. And when installing the cartridge, make sure that the up indicator is at the 12 o'clock position. And then the cartridge should slide right in, push into place. Take your cartridge nut, thread it on. And then just snug it up. With the trims that have the non-round cartridge cover, we need to put on this adapter plate. So this will fit right over the valve and is held in with two Phillips head screws. There we go. Just tighten them up. And then we have the cartridge cover, the non-round. That will just slide over the cartridge nut. There we go. And then the back plate. Here we have the arrow pointing up, so it should be going up at the 12 o'clock position, and that will push over. Go. And that plate is held in place with the two Phillips head screws. And just snug them up. Our escutcheon plate is the next step. And that will just push on. There we go. The handle adapter. And that just goes into the stem of the cartridge. And then our handle. Just tighten the handle up with the Allen wrench.